How to create a 3D rotation logo reveal. To begin, I added this image to my project and I want to create a 3D rotation logo reveal from it. First, drag the image into new layer at the bottom of project panel to create a sequence from it. Then double-click on image in the preview and adjust its size. Hold down the Alt key and drag the image to above track to create a duplicate from it. Double-click on the preview again and drag the duplicate image at the bottom of the original image. Now go to Effects panel and search for Vertical Flip. Drag and drop Vertical Flip effect into your top image. Also, search for Crop and drag it into your top image. With your top image selected, go to Effect Controls and under Crop, increase bottom and edge feather values. Go under Opacity and decrease opacity a little. Now go to Project Panel and click on New button at the bottom and select Color Matte. Create a color matte with default settings and a white color. Now close the sequence at the top of Timeline panel. Drag the color matte into Timeline to create a new sequence from it, then drag your first sequence above the color matte in Timeline. Go to Effects panel and search for Basic 3D and drag it into your top clip. With your top clip selected, go to Effect Controls under Basic 3D. Now move the playhead to where you want the logo reveal effect to start, and adjust trim at the start of your top track. Then set swivel to 90 degrees so you don't see the logo at the start, and click on Stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead forward and set swivel to around 1/45 to create the second keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set swivel to 1x to create the third keyframe. Select all the keyframes and right-click on one of them and select Auto Bezier to smoothen the transition. Now expand the swivel to see the speed ramp and play around with the ramp until you're happy with the transition smoothness. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.